Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is banner design. So I will design a banner here. But first of all, I will fix here something new, which is I will change here. It's so I want to delete this and also delete this. So I will make some new things. Um, so design it here. And I will make here something new. What is sorry, sorry. I'll copy this with the copy it here and I will I will make it horizontal. So click it and yeah, I think it's good. I think it's good. So how it look like? I think it look pretty good. So I will save it down here. So make here save. Then I will export it as PNG format. So yeah, replace it with the first. So how it look like? I think it's look pretty good. So now I'll go for the new bank design. So first of all, we have to know what is banner design. Banner design, you have to take 1280 into 420 pixels. So you have to select this. Then you have to create a artboard. And got it, you have got a artboard. Then you have to select how to make design. So you see here I made a simple design. So I will same design I will apply here, apply my in my banner. So let's see. I will take it small and give a color here. Yeah, I will give a color. I will give a color here. So copy this and I will change its stroke. I will change this stroke with zero. Then I will take rectangle tool again. You have to take it as perspective as here, the same distance. you have to maintain it. So yeah, I think I got it perfectly. So make it in similar verb. So you have to press shift and press the mouse keys right button, and then you have to copy it with the alt key. And this is the important things. Yeah, this is important things. Yeah, I think this is nice. This is nice, and I will change it and change it with horizontal, and this is the perfect. Yeah, this is the perfect. And now you have to make a banner. First of all, you have to make a logo of it. So yeah, I got a logo. So got a logo, but I will I will I will decrease its size. So here you have to create NAME name. Sorry, I made a mistake here. Name. Then you have to make it large. Yeah, make it large. Yeah, it's good. It's look good. Then you have to write down here. Sorry, I made a mistake here. Address. Sorry, address 79 by dot dot. This is the address, and yeah, this is address and address. Then you have to contract, make a contract here. 01786, then dot. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, it look nice. So then what is my topic or my main goal here? So you have to write down here main goal, GOAL, main goal. Main goal here. and go. First of all, I will change this color, change this color with red color, and I hope it's look very nice. And then you have to change this with the brush, and then you have to align it center or align left. You have to choose what is your. I will make it center. I will make it center. It's look good. I think it's pretty good for a banner design. So here you can see how to how it look like. I think I look pretty good. So make here make it perfectly. And this is my banner. And I will show you more things on the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Join with us. Subscribe my channel. Like, share, and comment. Share. So thank you. Goodbye.